Greetings to you all, my cherished viewers. We are here once again. Said the penny for and say, Okusi we umpie area. When never meso camera biano. Now, BB or I say, my chef for the for and so it me any be na omo eti. I am say Black Stars of Ghana, the national team no. Sebi. Now what we train mono. Omo the city abɛhyɛ yafun omo de sedie abɛhyɛ yafun, and I said it and I knew this coming. I said my video bi am a short one me kan say enya nwanwa said Black Stars you betimi edi Nigeria for so enkonim die hia unity, and yehu unity akomasefo eputu no up ebra Nigerians ne ba ha e dia ho keka bi ebe share your players no itu nti ene Black Stars of Ghana ya register kata they say ye di soon any awerho e na abeto o man Nigeria so confusion e na ya create me chia obi biara mahwefo nyina Kitos. I greet you, my brother. You are such a kind person. Nyame sure baby a obi a Kitos, Mr. Brew, common sense family member. Aye. Mechia obia wo hwe me videos bia ane obia wo share me nua me sofo Papa Boateng, the Full Gospel Kingdom. Papa mechia Mr. Francis mechia the more den mechia me mama ne me nua ma mo the Full Gospel platform ne member nyina sofo nyina ene asori empany for church members nyina mechia mo obia wo do me bia mechia no eye Fresh Prince TV GH. Unsubscribe to the channel now. May come for that channel. Mawasui edit amount. Fresh Prince TV GH. Ko YouTube. Odru YouTuber. Search for Fresh Prince TV. Obe who say ebe aba. You're gonna see a lot of videos. No videos be brave or Mr. Washibi. Video be also this a washe. Oshibi ya. Na washe. Ama wunu ya bi nso enya bi ahwe ema we rem bi say enene dai di kan na wo hwe me a obe subscribe to my channel sebe ya whenever me post video no onso obenya bi ahwe eya share ne like it, drop a comment ne nso na menhu de ekọ ene be di nkomo Black Stars yakọ Nigeria nyame adaworoma ene sebi ade aye fre ne koro ye nti no ekonimdie abeye dia ama ye president timpo a react nani age ye na show boy kra react na ansa na ye beko Nigeria no ensem bi sisi the so called spiritual people ekasai ebi ye asofo ebi ye akonfo a whole lot ekasai na omo nsem anu omo ka no omo anka se omo susu se said the me be predicting maybe a twam say me gibi se Black Stars ye betumi adi nkonim but omo de they said it say Nyankopon say vividly this is what is going to happen and see esan say Ghana for ye twibi aboso na out of nipa bebre no emum yenu hu nkomo na ye bedi de bia se bia ohene ba de bia ya na me kan say asem ba eye susu pre ho na asem no sua bibi frim sua bibi efrim enya asem na aba de kan men kan kwa entwe camera na nkasa tenten kwa esan say wo viewers learn something and educate your viewers eti asem a esiye edie na yesua film Black Stars nobody knew say ye be kokata intimacy bebre adwene no sometimes abrabo medru ba bia ohu ne say ade bi ba bia adru die che say wato baha wabemu obu there is no hope. There's nothing like possibility. And abishe wutrim. Nenso se wonya enwinta so determination. Maybe wonya etwen patient at the camp one. Now push ya. Now persevere. Something good can come out of it. It memane ma wutrim da say dia akechire. It is never late. It is never over until it is finally over. Black Stars and the city abesha Ghana for afun. Na papa ba kwa yesi ye friend of spiritual father okasapa okasa ordinansa esinebo ekasa esan say osusu say de woka no wonim de woka na wonim de ne honhom betumi aye amano na sa boy e de sebi animguasesem abere papai de bia na meka say edro footballer ena me honhom nipa me honhom nipa please put it somewhere. Now think critically, use your critical thinking to do the assessment in terms of football. It sounds say enya wan wase sesi aye ka say kotoko betumi akwa akwhye Chelsea enya wan it can happen. It is football. Be beer to me see of football. Papa ye hu say oko discount media ema yekoye no interview Ebra Nagana Ebeko Nigeria akobo your second leg for the qualifying. Na okasa kansem bebre ekasi sudua say Ghana can never qualify. Ghana ntimi qualify enko bo wake up ni bi ensi da. They say etumisia sika ni bobo dey I don't know say we ni amount no say we ni mu edi kan was say £500,000 and I feel they was say £50,000 or the Bema Black Stars. Now if you play a piano or Bema £1,000 in this capital. Every player, no any whisker. We no kaka say my bobra and mudani. I feel cast anymore. I feel there's £100,000 and £5,000 to each player. 100,000 each team Lydia and a player the answer 5,000. It's not saying that when you say end to me see. Enti akwana we interview no Fanta Black o say nana udwa wonum na wode ne nse bro table so nyasem ketwa mesere mo kasa ya mo ntomo wate se mpo mo hu na mo ka mo ntomo Moma yenhu some kind of humility be ewo mo kasemu ebi kra nka o kan ho brasie mu wodwo mu eno sebi nyansemu a nka honhom no kra taa wachi ma blasters ye lusu it could be say what you were saying uhu ye nenso ahomaso kasa no ntino ahonhom no se be gu animu ase e de anim gase abro Mr. Prophet se nyame ye wadom na onya vision bi na wo beka susu kunkun wate na vision no enye wa obi na dia ma wo ne susu di praise na ma wo ho susu fa won sasi wo bo afede papa yi kasa ya idru baby o say oyi se kan say se Black Stars etumi ewene ana so di nkunim e qualify kokatana yemfa se kan entwanity sabi ensem bi wo ho a ye bie ya no aka ya ye careful we might think say we are just saying it. Jacob nenia Esau eye kasakwa Esau say minia ekomo de me ma meduane ni bi ni Jacob say ansa na mema waduane ni bi de na je say waton wo panyini de amame Esau thought say we de eye anokwa na wonim say spiritually something is going to happen, biblically something is going to happen. So Esau egitu me say ampa I've sold my birthright to you, give me food aduane nti one day wonim say wo kan akwa ne baby the nua no e ma na aduane ne bi se na wanche ne panyini ne frɛ nsɛm se ye kasa ma ye hu ne se ye kasa kwa na ye ka sometimes ensɛm bia efiri ye no mu ba no ensunsanso e wo ho papa yi kasa ye kyese ebubo mu a yensua bibi mfiri mu sabi yen mu binom no adifo any akonfo and whoever spiritual people are ye wo my Ghana. They should know the difference between dayeson and isuadihunu. Dayeson and isuadihunu. Difference boom. Obetimi aso daye. Enon kire se eye isuadihunu nyame yi a kire wo. Sometimes yetumi adwendwen asem bi ho abra ye koda sa asem yetimi so ho daye. Tie ni ye pa. And one chile say nyame say Mr. Prophet make us say sa party we na wo party bi ompenasem eti da bia wadwe ye wo say party A na be ni o koda o beta so da ye say party A awe ni elections and chile say nyankopon se be ka kire Ghana for say party A na be ni election eye wo da ye Ghana for will be a social blasters here, the edry, yentime ko wake up. Enti enye one was say, Papa, comfort, spiritual father, obeso Diana blasters said into enye one. Enti eno sano. If you want to see, say, or if you want to know, say, nyame, ena can't you say, bekana, train kakra, never mumu, nebi se nyankopon wansa. Don't just come out. It's not say we give say what's from there. When we go see our farm out. And yet, a face of what cook, must say, or see a friend, say, Azuka, or say, Dien, Azuka, or Ganenum, or Kasa. Mama video in riches uncle for in Yamame. They talk, so for the Kasa, ename, we any power. Then Yami a shroud, Yami a mouse. Now we shall say a me, one Casano, two a mana, enche, ubitum. We should know say ye di for the Yankopon adwuma no de amaye eti whatever yitimi ye no eye Yankopon ene maye ye enye ye pe enye ya hoden enye ye nyansa na emom nyame adom ene yitumi ye if there is any glory we should give the glory to God, not ourselves. It is a nyame na de wo ye adwuma na wo kasa ena metimi aye sei ena betimi sichiri nsuo ena betimi ye sei enumdwa no ebe ye mo saa de aka animu no eye animguase. Where there is enumguasie ye hwehwe na ye hunu wo ho papa onye na ono so betena ho kasa bebre edwane no mu bebre se wo hu se after the match Nigerians ebosi na Ghana for ye red aho ye nse gugu ye bo ye se enema pe automatically indirectly ono so ka kire ye se ye ntumi qualify ensi da eti afei ye call na nkunimdie be ye dia ye mom ne ya jubilate ama Nigerians edi areho omusu enisuo adore Nigerians they say omo attack omo aban crisis omo say aban no anything the government now also say has no idea about football one ne nkofo ne omo ni mo hwefa football nti omo ena ama eliema ankoye amfa ama omo upon all the good players are omo ewo no Ghana ye ni age ye president Kuresa so omo enumguase aba afedie yankɔhwe a ye se friend of spiritual man was say what the ensusuye bi to ho sese ye kopa asamwagyan achew ne ye pa akosi nyantechi achew a something good can come akosi nyantechi ye kopa ne chew sese. Why say you go back to Nyantechi? Football mra say we a football president, football person. You can't take bribe. And there was a video which says Nyantechi take bribe. And aba out. And yes, idea. Only football. So the engine will be a wire bonia and Marano air channel. So this is not a panic. Say you go anymore. So idea and no credit. Nyantechi is a lawyer. And he knows what is good for himself. And you know, nobody owes Akosi Nyantechi any apology. No. The do because say you punish. Why you punish for what? So when you born in the enumguase atone so dia, then you be punish. Yamra Samuel fine. As Samuel dear. In some way, no be yabi. The son say a kwanya blasters fast on any day, you know, any year. All time striker Africa, you be the whole Africa. Striker wa bomodin e wo wiase afane e wiase bo bom ye ka se world cup striker wa bomodin kese asamwajan and the footballer so a wasele Ghana wo de Ghana ko nanim wa ma Ghana yate Ghana nkapa so asamwajan win free wa enye yie and asamwajan time no na wo hu se anigye bi wo blaster ni mu Asamwajan was a leader. He was so good. Just say, lack na any homano. Na etikwanya ye fa so asabi ye je captain band no e friend say Asamwajan so nyini sa ankoyi tie no de Asamwa de Ghana for ye pawocho Asamwa fa odo biara wo no fata blaster echi because mumu bi say motal team no echi a ebe ma team no etimi akonenim the likes of Stephen Appiah mo Tony Yeboah, you know, all the old players, we need your support. So, Asamwa, afedie, akwai say na your friend, o si yanko pass Asamwajan achew, afedie o si your friend, Masa, stop the drama. Some of us stop playing games. When the disgrace comes up, you try to disgrace yourself the more. The more wakasane will go when you want to see. Many one come in having grants and grant interviews. Kope baby, one can be negotiate. Now when you move see. Obi amfrel eye kanana. Oni obi na yes adie no. Woni obi assembly see ye na ama obi yes when audio no brel. You change we are keys. We guys are not keys. Please. Enim guase na nya baby. Etimi sabi. Asofo etimi hye nkom na backfire. Enti won so komfo wa hye nkom na say amemo emane ha. But we odifo a we ye komfo a na osua bibia firi sa ade ya asie emu. Ebetimi ato, ebetimi atome. Even ebetimi abase bimpo a wohui but ahomaso kasa no na ye too much. Enti ebesre say yenhu say yesi ani amotia na eye adwumo whatever spirit no where your master it is what the asem soma na wo kasa so fa wo sesisi wo Ghana for bi no say ye nkwachi ni ntwaniti isan so omo ane kan yes waka we deserve see etwaniti nanso etire twa na yetwa ebema blasters age cap na ba ana see etwaniti na ebema Ghana ye happy asesi ya yebrema inflation enema nko ya yesi disese dwane ne dwane ebegina ana if not there why can't we forget about this man I say ya channel ya nyina be to so while say the same week he levy o mafaka na nakwan bi so apase and see what sisi ya dwen nyina akɔhye ya dwen akodi konfo no ene osofo n'echi and we are talking about them we get a lot of and some say you can for the development of our nation, for our own good. And are we guys talking about those things? No, we are talking about comfort. E kamen ko ankasa comfort no. Omo ayomo ho actors ne ade. Omo niam no omo ya Mr. Presenter, Mr. Journalist. E hu hia sen can be discussed. Let's forget about them and let's think of what can help the youth of Ghana. And na ye hia. De be ma Ghana mebuno na nya adwuma aye. Eno ne hia saa sofo no ne saa akonfo no mo kasa bebre no we shouldn't give them a listening ear because they cannot offer us anything good. They have nothing good for the nation. Omo kasa adwa omo numu kon ye what at all eno mo ombetimi a boost of say yayewe eti ebesere hu hia e ka me nkwanka yensi fire yenya na life man no na mo ono akasa ne nim aguase na se ukọ ne ho na abekoso akọ a eyewa wasemwa me say muntie niye omu hu no hwe o they don't see anything omu tenase na omu de omu adwene everyday you know no mo abeka because otenase hu say Ghana yetim no enko yie definitely Nigerians no the way omu call Africa couple the way omu si ball modern ne the probability say Nigerians be Ghanaians no high nti ene menko kan edi ko kan ne nke be mu a na manfo di nachi no wo disika kese wo 50,000 you know 50,000 pounds okofa no hin susu kasa you don't have it enu mu dwanko a so what you say nyamisha blaster for in fact moya ade mobo moden sempo ye ko wake up na ya nkwaje cap ni Ghana for asemo de mo rush na ye kwaje cap mesra mo munsusu mfa mo ayi nkwa echire dodo na ankwaye ya ankwafa asemo ama bibia betimi asi please semo kompo na mo ntimi anye cap na ama yesi bema be ye bi no amaye ni nyina mesra o man Ghana say ahombo bi esese ye both spiritual, physical. Yemwa na boys no nko yemfi akoma ntaachire aban this time no ma ye invest in this adie bia be mo motimi awene matches no ye say kasa ye kasa nchire wo mo say ahoden ye de beta wo mochi a yemfa ntaa wo mochi na omo nko bobo no na wake up no esele Ghana ema Ghana din no ekwa echire wake up ni mu eboa ema footballer okobi a oye new no yetimi hu no ema yeto no edwaman so ema wono so sebi obeye somebody it wake up there we ye oman nese utim etimi kobia eboa pa first of all eboa the country na ankasa afi individual players nso eboa wo mo team officials and management ni nyina no it helps them. Esan say eno ne kwan aye fa so a ye ton o man Ghana. Esan say onam na udu baby o ka say Ghana, somebody may ask you Ghana, where is Ghana? Obeka African still a wo ka Africa amutimi bo South Africa ni. No more Nigeria ni still a hu Ghana. Afi yokoye Asamoah Gyan football. Oh, Asamoah Gyan, good man. You see? Asamoah Gyan into football nti. Baby o ha ubedro no. Ubo Ghana din na the Asamoah Gyan attach it. Sometimes ubo Zuma Nelson. Come on. Nyamenshira mo legends. Makonko den. What Asamoah, I love you so much. You are such a wonderful guy. What konko den, what bombo den ama o man Ghana. Papa Zuma Nelson. Mwajidimpa. They say your boxing say I say your boxing I say and your man kwe. Nyamisha no one okay so go so here about Fresh Prince TV GH. Go to YouTube channel, na subscribe to my channel no. Na share na ma umi bi nso enya bi enhwe eya subscribe me so subscribe ma me wate. Mon subscribe na ye kɔ yanim ye kɔ yanim. Follow me e wo Facebook o Heneba Boateng. And I say Instagram o Heneba 84. TikTok also me twa hodi mo sin okoho a Heneba_35. Yeah. You can't take it from me. The name still remain Heneba. And the channel's name, you can't take it from me. A Fresh Prince TVGH. Upo me say a Fresh Prince TVGH. Okoho so a nyansa semon kwa na ye can go. And someone edika ne biti kwa na be hono po. You can't be like me. You can't be like that man. Abraham Maslow, a scholar on the kind of individual differences. We should know this. Ebasa, sa Abrabomwa Kensian, Ibe Yefi Abrabom, Sebi, O my Ghana, Yakoyanim, Black Stars of Ghana, Makon Kodin, when Ipaya was say Aye, Yadamasi, Pate. You are such a wonderful guy. Please mention the name Momudi because Nancy am come free. She said the sign aba. The day are you, Nyamisha Wate, Ujina Boni ma, Akuma Udi Jinemuno, Vimono. Some Ghanaians in the woman who reigning mentality at the Mabu Timono. When Yaminyo Casanoma will lack now a Fabua blaster. Not 2022 wake up with your car at the Papebi in Filimura. Mama Maffei. 2006, the first wake up where hey, the more dead, time Stephen Apiano, Jesus, Asamoah Gyan, oh my God, only late Kingsley, me moon is goalkeeper, Ghana, and Yada, maybe many feet, all-time best goalkeeper, only late. God bless you. I'm a child, I'm a phone, and I will be on Tommy. Jesus, stay blessed. The Diana can be said, oh, we nipa, Janjampa, na Adjampano, and more home. Mini for Mr. Sachara, watch it, na enche, itu eba abe castle into Sachara, the Jacron, Bope Jumaye, his son said, oh, you want to say, oh, pay Jumaya, Ubenabi aye, Chrono, at the Pebia ending, a Union in Garcia and a witch. The child is here. Bye bye.